Hi and welcome. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change screenshot format on Samsung Galaxy A72. That's rather easy to do, so let's get started. First, open Settings. Here, find Advanced Features. Then, go to Screenshots and Screen Record. As you can see, there's an option called Screenshot Format. Simply click on it. As you can see, you have two formats to choose from. And for example, we'll pick PNG. And that's it. From this point on, all of your screenshots will be saved as PNGs. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content like this. Goodbye.